What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Dub Digital, crypto news and macro trends. Give me a like, please subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you guys can get all my fire TA that comes through on all your favorite altcoins none of your favorite YouTubers like to talk about. Wanchain, Wandelore, welcome back. You got a big old sell-off. Look at that crap. Look at this. Look at this big old candle. 15%. Guys, this is a good learning opportunity. I want to hop in here and tell you. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So when you have a big move up, just as fast as it went up, know that there's a potential for it to come down. Between 2 days, we had a 46% up, and then we had a 16% down. But notice, guys, I want to show you. Why is this happening? James, what is going on? I thought Wanchain to the moon. It is to the moon, guys, but everything in economies are connected. Let me show you. Gold and silver price, precious metals. It's also comparative to cryptocurrency because they're both hard assets. They're not like liabilities. No one needs to give you anything to get these things. They're money within themselves. Everything that's dollar denominated seems to be taking a hit. We see silver going down about 2-3%, gold going down 0.5%. Most importantly, guys, we got this Dow Jones Industrial Average down 717 basis points, which is a huge drop. That's about 3% in the stock market. And whenever the stock market drops, people freak out. That's because the majority of people have their money tied up in traditional paper assets. So whenever something drops, people freak out because this is where the non-investors are. This is where the regular everyday people who go to work and passively invest are. So they don't understand drops and we understand. They don't understand things revert to the mean. They just know that I want my money to go up. Getting into the most liquid form of anything known to man, and that's cash. So when we have big sell-offs in the stock market, big money gets scared and they sell their other maybe more fringe investments. If they dip their toe into crypto, guess what they are trying to get out of crypto? Allow me to show you and illustrate my theory. Stock market went down hard, bang. Pretty much DeFi in general just took a hit. And y'all know Wanchain is DeFi. Not Wanchain's fault. The nature of the game. Sometimes your investment goes south, but not because of your investment. Lucky for us, this is not a big thing in my opinion. Let me tell you why. Where are we, guys, as far as Wanchain is concerned? Have we not risen over the last 2 months? No, not even the last month, because this price rise really started at the beginning of August. The last month, we rose 116%, guys. We've retraced thus far only 14%, okay, 15%. So basically, we're still 100% above where we were a month ago, and we are 216% above where we were 2 months ago at the whole cycle low right here. So is it bad that things drop? Yeah, it feels bad. It's horrible. It makes my stomach hurt a little bit. When you look at it all together, has Wanchain not performed for you recently? 200%? I would say Wanchain has done a good job in appreciating being a digital asset. So what does this mean, James? You're saying all these words. I don't know what they mean. I'm upset. Okay, let's see. We could drop another 7%. We could drop another 11%. We could drop back in here 15%. As long as we stay above this line that we drew, this new trend line. Finally, this one's holding. That's where we wicked them bounced off of super hard. This is at the top of the reload zone like we mentioned, guys. Remember this resistance support flip that occurred? This is why resistance support flips need to occur. So when you have cataclysmic days, when a bunch of baby boomers are selling all their stocks and it falls down, you have an area where everyone agrees like, okay, wait, hold up. This is getting kind of ridiculous. And they feel actually that it's a bargain. It's a deal to pick up right here. What I wanted to come on and tell you is this. Wanchain is still the Wanchain you know and love. Everyone's starting to catch on. Everyone's starting to catch on that this is gonna be a high flyer. This one flew under the radar on a lot of people, and now people are starting to come around to it. So right when people are starting to notice a Wanchain, right when that hype, I could smell the hype coming. I could smell the project developments coming. Right when things are starting to get good, remember why you got into it. If you still believe in it. If you don't believe in it, drop it. If you do, like I do, I'm gonna hold on to it. Because everything says to me that Wanchain has been underappreciated for a very long time. So in order to be able to get above these levels and actually do a resistance support flip onto the launch pad, like, we're gonna need all the weak hands to get on up out of here. We need all the weak hands to get the hell up and out of here. This is weak hand action right here. This is weak hand action right here. We want the strong hands. We want strong hands, so when it shoots up, it goes up real high. In order to go up 3,000% plus, you can't have people selling all up and along the way when they lose 20%. No. With great movement comes great movement. Great up, great down. If you guys think 20% is hard to stomach, what are you gonna do when we make 1,000% moves, 700% moves, and correct like 80%? 100% of that. Develop your stomach as an investor. Develop your risk appetite. Understand the asset you're in. If you don't like big moves, you should go to bonds. You should go to cash. You shouldn't be in crypto. It offers you life-changing potential in terms of financial opportunity. But that crap don't come easy, guys. This is the big boy time. This is big boy time. Big boy pants on. Big boy. But remember, guys, just like we were tripping from this drop here, remember that? Bang, like nothing. And just like how everyone was like, damn, we suck. Wanchain sucks. Boom, resistance support flip. All forgotten. Everyone forgives it. Everyone's happy now, right? And then held again from a big crash. It's hard to come right out of the gate, right from the bottom for an asset and just bang, 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 bang. Because at this point, everyone believed in it the least. At the lows, you got to remember that this is psychology on a chart. This is where everyone had the lowest confidence in Wanchain because they kept selling it. The proof that they had low confidence was in their money. They're selling it and it keeps climbing up. But remember, we're only 200% away from this lowest confidence point. We still got some haters. We still got some weak Wanchain hands in here. Don't worry about it. Don't trip. Not financial advice. Do what it's ever best for you. But Wanchain, love it still. You can look at it as a bad thing, as a negative, like your portfolio lost money, or you can look at it as an opportunity. And if your bag isn't as heavy as you want it to be, you could reload up. I'm Dub Digital. Crypto news, macro trends. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.